Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Mitsubishi air conditioner not cooling mode, filter and cooling error troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the cooling mode. Turn on the air conditioner, then press the home button on the remote. Then select cool mode. Set the temperature to 18 to 22 degrees Celsius and wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then second one is clean the air filter. Turn off the air conditioner, then open the front cover. Remove the air filter and clean them with water or a vacuum. Then let the filter dry completely, reinstall them and restart the unit. Third one is make sure the outdoor unit is working. Check if the outdoor unit fan is spinning, then remove leaves, dirt or other objects around the unit. Then leave at least 2 feet of open space around it. Then turn the AC back on and check the cooling. Fourth one is check the temperature setting. Lower the temperature by a few degrees, then set the fan speed to high. Then close all doors and windows. Then wait several minutes to see if the room gets cooler. Fifth one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the AC, then switch off the power at the breaker and unplug the unit. Then wait 5 minutes. Turn the power back on and test the cooling. Thanks for watching.